Hello children, a very good morning to all. After finishing of our fifth lesson, we are back to our sixth lesson. So, this is very interesting lesson which had really happened to our Indian woman who has sacrificed her life to save a number of people when she was driving aeroplane which was hijacked by the terrorists, and she has with a very lot of courage and enthusiasm, and she has saved many of our passengers or Indians or whatever, some people, more than 100 people she has saved by the hijack of from the terrorist, hijack of the terrorist. So today we are going to know and learn about a very interesting and important person named called Neeraj Bonnot. What's her name? Neeraj Bonnot. So my dear students, listen the class very clearly. It is very interesting topic and it was happened really in our country. So it is very important to you all to learn this lesson, and we need to learn some important impacts, some important habits or some important things. We can learn lot of things from this lesson. So I hope you are ready and we are all ready to learn about Neeraj Bonnot and what sacrifice that she has done for the people of India and some of foreigners. So this lesson mainly speaks about the life and the thing that was happened when the when the terrorist has hijacked the aeroplane when this woman, the Neeraj Bonnot, was driving. This Neeraj Bonnot is one of the pilot of our country. Pilot means what? One who drive the aeroplanes or helicopters. Okay, many times when we are walking on the road, when we are at home on the terrace, you will be hearing the sound of the aeroplanes. So suddenly we will get into the sky where the aeroplanes are moving. So we all like the aeroplanes and we all will have a dream to travel in an aeroplane, isn't it? So, and many of us maybe travel in aeroplane. Okay. Still I have not yet traveled in aeroplane, but I have seen the aeroplane very close by. When I went to Begapet airport and Shamshabad, and also in Vijayawada we have another airport in Vijayawada and Gannavaram. There also I have visited these three air stations, okay, airports. I have not traveled, but I have seen the aeroplane and aircraft very closely. I have touched it. Okay, so and many of you have traveled, but if you have not traveled, have a dream that you should travel in a aeroplane. Recently, before starting a lesson, there was a film released by actor of Surya. So that movie name called Akasha something. Akash Mein Hadura. That movie name is called Akash Mein Hadura. In that movie, okay, that hero Surya, he wants to have that all the poor men, okay, poor people, has to travel in an aeroplane. His dream to all the poor men, they used to travel in aeroplane in very cheap cost. He tries until succeed. One time he fails, second time he fails, third time he reaches. In between, many people come across to him to not allow him to get an achievement. But finally, he reaches his destination and he starts aeroplanes, okay, for very cheap cost. So, in the same way, we can see how he was very dedicated to him, how he is one of the person who he want to become a pilot. But from some problems, he will come back to home, and even he will succeed in life. So today we are speaking about Neerja Bonhart. Okay, in this lesson we are mainly speaking about when she was flying in a when she was piloting for a one airplane which was being hijacked by the terrorist. How she has been taken a courage and how she has saved the travelers, the passengers from the airplane. That is our lesson. So I hope you are ready. So please open page number 50. Are you ready, children? So take your textbook, open page number 50, and also take your pencils. Take your pencil. So before starting, let us learn few new words. Glossary. Okay, riddles means made whole. Okay, compassionate means very kind, sympathy. Compassionate very. Okay, we must be very compassionate towards the poor people, towards the beggars, towards the old people. So we must be very kind to them. Okay, we must be very kind. And next one is brigade means very cruel. All these terrorists, okay, and these thieves, all they are very cruel. Okay, they will not think about very about the age, and for sake of money and for sake of their richness, they won't think about age wise. They will not show any compassion about any person. And the last one is Isaac. Isaac means seize. Seize means forcing the pilot to drive the airplane to another place. Suppose the flight has to go from Hyderabad to Vizag, but when the flight was Vizag, they will go to cabin. How train will have an engine, like an airplane will have a separate cabin for the pilots. So they will direct the airplane to go where it is. So suppose go to Vizag, but they will not allow to. They will tell the pilot to change the way. They will tell to go to another, maybe to Delhi or maybe to Kolkata, somewhere, Chennai. Okay, they will. So like this, Isaac means they will not allow the flight to go to their own destination. They will change the direction of the flight to another place. That's called the Isaac. Okay, Isaac. So let's start our lesson. Neerja Bonhart. Remember this name, very important. What's her name? What? Neerja Bonhart. Okay. Let us read a story of brave woman who saved lives by giving up herself. So let us read a brave woman. Okay. ఒక ధైర్యశాలి, ఒక ధైర్యవంతురాలైన ఒక వ్యక్తి గురించి మనము ఈ రోజు ఈ యొక్క స్టోరీ మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. ఆమె తన యొక్క ప్రాణాలను త్యాగం చేసి మరి ఎంతో మంది ప్రాణాలను కాపాడింది. ఆమె ఎవరు? ఆమె నీరజా బొనాట్. At Karachi, the flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists. Immediately, Neerja rushed towards the cockpit to inform the captain. Soon her body was bulleted. Soon her body was with bullets. Hers is the story of supreme sacrifice. So the starting of the story, the starting of the story, that there was the flight was hijacked in Karachi. Where is the Karachi? Where is Karachi? Karachi is one of the place of our country. So it was hijacked by the heavy armed terrorists. Terrorists means who? The persons who are against the society. They will do harm to our society, to our country. For examples, maybe Pakistan is one of the terrorists. Some people they will have some training in the forest. They will come out of the society. They will against completely. వారు సొసైటీకి, సమాజానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా వారు శిక్షణ పొంది ప్రజలకు ప్రాణాలు తీయడం, వివిధ రకాల నష్టాలు ప్రజలకు మరియు ప్రభుత్వాలకు వారు ఎప్పుడు నష్టాన్ని కలిగిస్తూ ఉంటారన్నమాట. కొంతమంది మనీ కోసం, కొంతమంది దేశం కోసం. వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ ఆర్మీకి వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్ గా పోరాడకుండా ఏం చేస్తారు వారు ఆర్మీ కాకుండా ఇతర కొన్ని మనం మూవీస్ లో చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు మనము సర్లే మీకు ఎవరు మూవీ చూసినప్పుడు అందులో ఒక ఫైట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, in that fight how when these terrorists are kidnapped by the school children, this hero Mahesh Babu, their commander, all this army, they will go and save the children. The persons who are opponents are the terrorists. They will kill the innocent people, okay, for sake of government, against the government. So these are the terrorists. So when this flight was hijacked, so immediately she had went to the cockpit, means where they will direct to the flight to move where it has to go. There she went to captain and she was told, and when she was moving towards the captain, already she has filled with the bullets, already she was shooted by the terrorist. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈమె ఆ యొక్క టెర్రరిస్ట్ దగ్గరికి ఆ యొక్క క్యాప్టెన్ దగ్గరికి చెప్తుంది మన యొక్క ఫ్లైట్ హైజాక్ చేయబడింది అని చెప్పడానికి వెళ్ళేది ఏమైంది, యొక్క టెర్రరిస్ట్ ఏం చేసి ఉగ్రవాదులు ఏం చేశారు, తనని గన్స్ తో కాల్ చేశారు. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ సుప్రీం సాక్రిఫైస్. ఓకే, ఇది చాలా గొప్ప, ఓకే, చాలా తన యొక్క ప్రాణాన్ని త్యాగం చేసింది అనమాట. Let us know about the Neeraj Bonat. Neeraj Bonat was born to Harish and Rama Bonat on September 7th, 1963. Okay, she was born on 1963 September 7th. So you can see her picture in page number 50. See how beautiful she is. You can see a rare picture. Okay, yes, you can see her rare picture. Okay, who is the father? Father is Harish and mother is Ram Bonat. Underline that first line. Underline the first line. Neeraj Bonat was born to Harish and Rama Bonat on September 7th, 1963 in Chhattisgarh. Where she has born? In the state of Chhattisgarh. She has born. The year of 1963 on September 7th. So underline up to Chhattisgarh. She is schooling at Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. When the father moved to Bombay, she continued her studies at Bombay, Scotch, and then graduated from St. Xavier's College. So she has completed her school days and college, okay, maybe intermediate, in the Sacred Heart of Secondary School in Chhattisgarh, and she has completed her degree. Graduate means degree in St. Xavier's College in Mumbai. So this is our child life or studies where she has done. She has born in Chhattisgarh. Sorry. She has born in Chhattisgarh. Her father is Harish and mother is Rama Bonat. And she has born in the year of 1963, September 7th. And she has studied in the school of Sirhata, and she has completed her college in the Mumbai. Neeraj grew in a caring, compassionate, and committed girl. She appealed for a pilot attendance job with a Pan Am. Upon selection, she went to Milan for training as a pilot attending, but returned as purser. So she had a dream, and that she wanted to become a pilot, and she has grown up. Okay, she has grown up as a very caring and compassionate and very committed. తను పెరుగుతున్నప్పుడు ఎలా పెరిగింది? ఓకే, ప్రేమించడం, ఇతరులను గౌరవించడం, మరియు ఏదైనా తను చేయాలనుకుంటే తను చేసేంత వరకు దాన్ని వదిలిపెట్టేది కాదు. ఓకే, సో షీ ఈస్ వెరీ కమిటెడ్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్. She was committed, and also was very compassionate towards the people, towards the young people, towards the youngsters, towards the very aged people and children. She was very committed and very caring towards all, and she wanted to become a pilot. But okay, and she was selected along with the job with the Pan Am, and she was selected, but she went to Mayhem. Okay, Mayhem for the training. They'll have a training. That's why we see many times there will be airplanes are moving one by one. These are the training airplanes. They will be having a trials always. They will be having a training and attend but returned as a purser. Okay, she was attended for the training, but she returned back home as a purser. What is meaning of purser? Purser means she has having a train, but she not become a captain for as a pilot, proper pilot. But she has learned. She has a pursuance. She has learned about the training, all about this airplane, how to have a all the directions. She came to know. She has a training in that. Immensely dedicating Neerja made a wonderful air hostess. She was a senior pilot purser. Purser means what? Purser means okay, air host. Okay, she knows all about the airplane, but she want to become a captain or a pilot. But she has returned, but she become a purser. Purser means the person, one who take care of the passengers. Okay, welcoming them into the airplane and giving helping to them and the things what are necessary and serving to them. All these things they will do. Air host means the persons, one who help the passenger to have their safe journey. Okay, and they provide whatever they require. On which her compassion and unfailing courage was to be tested. The test which made her so very special to our country and to the world. Her heroic actions were clearly responsible for saving the lives of hundreds of people. She has saved how many people? Hundreds of people she has saved. Okay, having a compassionate zeal on her duty, and she had shown a real heroine. She became a real heroine, and she had saved more than 100 of people, and her courage has been very proud to our country. The flight attendant job is that of tending to airplane passengers' need and safety. An airline person is the manager on board or aircraft, and therefore responsible for all the passengers and all other flight attendants. So, person means air host manager. Air host manager. Person means she is the manager for that aeroplane, the plane which was moving towards Hyderabad to any other place. It will be given to a person. He is a person managed for the safety and needs of the passengers. She has to take care of the passengers, and she is very it is very important job. It is very important job. Okay, the person, one who is a purser has to take care of all the passengers and their safety also in the hands of the person. So it is very important job. At Karachi, till there you understood, she has very dedicated and she want to become a pilot, but unfortunately she returned to home and she became a purser, means she became a air host manager. And once when she was having a air host manager of one flight which was moving towards one place another place. Okay, so something was hazard, and she has showed a very compassion toward the person. She has sacrificed her life, and and she has saved more than 100 of people. Okay, తను తన యొక్క జీవితాన్ని త్యాగం చేసి 100 మంది కంటే ఎక్కువ, ఒక 100 మంది కంటే 100 మంది ఉన్న ప్రయాణికుల యొక్క ప్రాణాలని తను కాపాడింది. ఈ పర్సన్ అనే యొక్క జాబ్ ఏంటంటే యొక్క ఏరోప్లేన్ లో ప్రయాణించే వారి యొక్క ప్రాణాలకు తనే పూచేయడం, తనే వారి యొక్క ప్రాణాలు మరియు వారి కావాల్సిన ప్రతి అవసరాన్ని తీర్చే బాధ్యత యొక్క పర్సన్ అనేది తీసుకుంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఫ్లైట్ లో తనే యొక్క వారికి కావాల్సిన అవసరాలు, వారికి కావాల్సిన డ్రింక్స్, ఫుడ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిన ప్రతిదీ ఆ యొక్క పర్సన్ అనే ఆమె తనకు వారిని చూసుకుంటూ వారికి అవన్నీ అందిస్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో యాజ్ అవర్ నీరజా బొనాట్, షీ ఈస్ అ పర్సన్ ఇన్ దట్ ఏరోప్లేన్. అండ్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ ఏరోప్లేన్ హైజాక్ చేయబడిందో అప్పుడు తన యొక్క ప్రాణాలను సైతము అడ్డుగా పెట్టి 100 మంది యొక్క ప్యాసింజర్ ప్రయాణికుల యొక్క ప్రాణాలను కాపాడింది. ఈ యొక్క హైజాక్ ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది, ఎలా జరిగింది అని మనం చూద్దాం. At Karachi, the plane was hijacked by 4 heavy army terrorists. Immediately, Neerja rushed towards the cockpit to inform the captain. So, what happens? You can see the picture, page number 51. You can see there are some terrorists. They are having some pistols or guns, and they are hijacked the airplane. And so, when these terrorists are hijacked, what they will do? They will immediately, when the flight was started, move towards the sky. Immediately they get up and they take the guns and they will say, "Don't go anywhere. Okay, please give whatever you have." And they will tell to the pilot to don't go to where it has to go. You must go to another place. They will tell. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క ఏరోప్లేన్ కరాచీలో హైజాక్ అయింది అనమాట. హైజాక్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ప్రతి యొక్క ప్రాణం ఎవరి మీద, ఈ యొక్క ప్రయాణికుల యొక్క భద్రత ఎవరి మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది? ఈ యొక్క పర్సన్, ఆ రోజు పర్సన్ ఎవరు? మన నీరజా బొనాట్ మీద ఈ యొక్క భద్రత అనేది ఉంటుంది. ప్రయాణికుల భద్రత అనేది ఈ యొక్క చేతిలో ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది ఈమె? వెంటనే ఒక పైలట్ వద్దకు పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వెళ్ళి ఇలా చెప్పింది అనమాట, మన యొక్క విమానాన్ని కొంతమంది ఉగ్రవాదులు హైజాక్ చేశారని చెప్పింది అనమాట. A terrorist caught her by her hair, but she managed to short the hijack code. Another flight attendant who caught the code conveyed it ahead according to the regulating the 3-member crew of pilot, co-pilot, and flight manager aboarded the aircraft, leaving 400 passengers and 13 members cabin crew in the handle of thoughtless terrorists. So, the flight which was moving, was hijacked in the Karachi, and in the flight there were 400 passengers are there, and there are 13 members of cabin crew. Cabin crew means maybe captains or air hosts, and pilots, different people, all they who served in the flight, and those who take care of the passengers, and those who drive the airplanes. More than that, 413 people are there, and these all people are in the hands of these terrorists. And one of the terrorists has got the hair of this Neerja Bolotte, and however, she was struck in the hands of this terrorist, she was managed to shout the hijack code. She was shouting, our flight was hijacked. Don't be tense, don't be worried. And she was also telling to the pilot and co-pilot that our flight was hijacked. ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక టెర్రరిస్ట్ ఉగ్రవాది ఈ యొక్క నీరు దగ్గరికి వచ్చి తన జుట్టు పట్టుకుని తనను గట్టి పట్టుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది? గట్టిగా అరుస్తానమాట, మన యొక్క ఫ్లైట్ హైజాక్ చేయబడింది ఉగ్రవాదుల చేతిలో, మీరు ఎవరు భయపడ వెళ్ళొద్దు అని అదే విధంగా యొక్క ఫ్లైట్ పైలట్లకు యొక్క విమానం నడిపే వారికి కూడా ఆమె చెప్తుంది అన్నమాట. Since Neerja was a cabin crew leader, she took over command. What followed was amazed. Neerja kept the passengers calm. She served coffee and snacks to comfort them and ease their fear. Okay, erase their fear. So as leader of the crew, as a leader, she was a manager of the air host and she managed of the airplane. She has to manage the airplane. So what she has done, she took over all the command of the airplane, and what she was doing, she was doing with a very amazingly, she was kept the passenger very calm. Please be calm, and she was giving some snacks and coffee to make the passenger to be calm and do not have any fear. Like a passengers, like a ప్రయాణికుల్లో ఎటువంటి భయం లేకుండా వారిలో భయం పోగొట్టడానికి ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఎప్పుడైతే తను యొక్క ఫ్లైట్ కి ఒక ఎయిర్ హోస్ట్ తనకి మేనేజర్ కదా, సో ఏం చేస్తుంది, వారిని వీరందరూ చాలా భయపడకుండా కూర్చోండి, ఏం కాదని చెప్పి ఏం చేస్తుంది, వారికి కాఫీ మరియు స్నాక్స్ ఇచ్చి వారిలో భయాన్ని పోగొట్టడానికి తను ప్రయత్నిస్తుంది. ఓకే, the flight crew are located in the cockpit and fly the airplane. They indicate the captain, the co-pilot, the first officer and pilot engineer. Some planes have only two during a flight while some heavy four. Okay, so what happened? The real life heavy tension drama continued for 17 hours. So think the flight has been hijacked, and this hijack has been continued up to 17 hours. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క విమానం హైజాక్ చేయబడిందో, ఈ యొక్క హైజాక్ ఏమైంది, ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క టెర్రరిస్ట్ ఉగ్రవాదులు దాన్ని హైజాక్ చేశారో అది ఈ యొక్క 17 గంటలు ఈ యొక్క విమానము వారి యొక్క ఆధీనంలో ఉందన్నమాట. సడన్లీ యాజ్ పవర్ బ్యాక్ failing and the lights came very dim, terrorists began to fire blindly. At the moment, Neerja bashed to the emergency door and flicked it open and said, "Get up, run," the words that will continue to ring the ears of the servers. She used all her strength to guide the push people down the chute. She protected 3 children, bullets mercilessly rushing her body. Neerja's body survived, but she continued her duty of protecting the airline's passengers. So what happened? So there will be airbags in the airplane, because if any something crash will happen or any engine was failed, something has happened to airplane, there will be some airbags, so they can jump from the airplane to save their lives. But unfortunately, all the airbags has been damaged, and slowly the lights, maybe something happened to maybe engine, maybe there will be some diesel be there for the airplane also, maybe diesel was, maybe something has some problem had happened to the airplane, and so it is very dim. It is very completely dim. There was completely no light. It is completely very darkness, and terrorists began to fire blindly. All terrorists were firing. They were firing to the answer. They were firing with the guns, and immediately with a lot of courage, Neerja bashed the emergency. There will be emergency door will be there. So she opened the emergency door and telling, run. She was telling all the people to run, and she has saved 3 children, and she was protecting all the passengers. By when the firing the gun, she was coming towards the fire. She was the gun, and there were a lot of bullets are there in her body, and lot of blood was flowing from her body, and she was not get any disgrace. With the same speed, she was protecting all the passengers, because she is the protection for all the passengers. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క విమానం 17 గంటల సేపు వారి యొక్క ఆధీనం ఉగ్రవాదుల యొక్క ఆధీనం ఉందో ఏమైతుంది అక్కడ ఒక పెద్ద డ్రామా ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఏంటంటే అందరూ ఆశ్చర్యం కలిగే విధంగా ఉందన్నమాట. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇలా జరుగుతుందో అక్కడ కొన్ని విమానంలో ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఎప్పుడైనా విమానానికి ఏమి జరిగినప్పుడు ఆ ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ తో మనము ఆ విమానం నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి మన యొక్క ప్రాణాలను కాపాడుకోవచ్చు. కానీ ప్రమాదశాస్తు ఆ విమానం ఏదో జరిగి లైట్ వెలగడం లేదు, చాలా చీకటిగా ఉంది, ఆ యొక్క ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ ని ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయాయి. అప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఈ యొక్క టెర్రరిస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు, వాళ్ళ యొక్క గన్స్ వాళ్ళు దాన్ని కాల్స్తున్నారు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది, ఈమె యొక్క ఎమర్జెన్సీ డోర్ ఉంటుంది ప్రతి ఒక్క ట్రైన్కి కానీ మరియు బస్సుకి కానీ ప్రధానికి ఎమర్జెన్సీ డోర్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. సో ఏం చేసి వెంటనే ఎమర్జెన్సీ డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అందరూ పరిగెత్తని చెప్పి మరి ఒకరు యొక్క ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ తీసుకుని బయటకు దూకేస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట. కొన్ని ఎయిర్ బ్యాగ్స్ తో. ఓకే, తర్వాత కొంతమంది పిల్లల్ని కాపాడుకుంటూ ఆ యొక్క ప్యాసింజర్ని కాపాడుకుంటూ ఎప్పుడైతే ఉగ్రవాదులు కాల్స్తున్నారో ఆ యొక్క బుల్లెట్ని ఎదుర్కొంటూ ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ యొక్క బుల్లెట్ దిగుతో రక్తం కారుతుందో అదే విధంగా ఆమె ఆ యొక్క వారి ప్రాణాలను కాపాడడానికి తన యొక్క ప్రాణాన్ని అడ్డుగా పెట్టి వారిని కాపాడుతూ ఉంది. ఓకే, God the Almighty had sent her to earth as a guardian angel for the 400 passengers of the fateful flight of Pan Am. What are the plane name? Pan Am. So the God the Almighty has given her strength and she has sent her as a woman as a guardian angel, okay, of 400 passengers. దేవుడు మహోన్నతమైన దేవుడు తన యొక్క దేవదూతను ఈ యొక్క నీరజ బొనాట్ యొక్క రూపంలో భూమి మీదకి పంపించి 400 ప్రయాణికులను ఆ యొక్క ఫ్లైట్ నుంచి కాపాడాడు. She was brave in life, brave in death. The only stewardess to have command aircraft and warden the hijackers was an Indian. So her life is brave and also death also is very brave. Really, okay, when the flight was hijacked, she has sacrificed her life. She stood for the in front of the bullets and she has saved more than 400 people. She has sacrificed. Okay, the God Almighty has blessed, okay, with the courage and compassion towards saving of the people, and it is very proud to have an Indian person who has stand towards the terrorists and towards the hijacks. She was awarded the Tanvili Industry Pakistan, the Flight Safe Foundation Award and the Medal of Heroism of National Society of Sons of America Revolution. So see how beauty it is. See, she has been awarded by the Pakistan and also she was also awarded by the American as a Medal of Heroism of National Society of Sons of America Revolution USA. So not only our India, she has been awarded and she has been honored by the Pakistan, by our America. For her bravery, the government of India posthumously awarded her as a Ashoka Chakra Award, Indian highest government award for the bravery in the face of emergency during the face time, and Borat became its youngest recipient. So at the age of very young, maybe at the age of 30 plus, she has died and she has sacrificed her life for saving of 400 passengers, and she has been awarded by the Ashoka Chakra Award. She has been awarded by the Ashoka Chakra Award. Chakra Award, and it is a It is highest. It is very highest government or award of our India. The Chityan's reads, our loyalty to the passengers of the aircraft is distressed with the forever being a lasting, terrible to the finest quality of human spirit. తన యొక్క ప్రాణాన్ని ఓకే చాలా చాలా యుక్త వయసు చాలా యంగ్ వయసులో ఎప్పుడైతే తన యొక్క ప్రాణాన్ని కోల్పోయిందో ఓకే సారీ తన యొక్క ప్రాణాన్ని అడ్డు పెట్టి 400 ప్రయాణికుల ప్రాణాలను కాపాడిందో తను అప్పుడే చరిత్రలో ఒక గొప్ప వ్యక్తిగా నిలిచిపోయింది. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క తన ఇంతమందిని కాపాడి తన ప్రాణాలను కోల్పోయిందో అప్పుడు వివిధ దేశాలు తనను ఎంతో గౌరవించారు. పాకిస్తాన్ మరియు అమెరికా అదేవిధంగా మన దేశము తనను అశోక మహావీర చక్రాన్ని చాలా హైయెస్ట్ మన దేశంలో చాలా ప్రసిద్ధి చెందిన ఒక అవార్డును తనకిచ్చి తనను ఎంతగా ప్రశంసించింది. తన యొక్క చిన్న వయసులో తన యొక్క ప్రాణాలని కోల్పోయి ఎంతో మంది ప్రాణాలను కాపాడే ఒక గొప్ప వ్యక్తిగా నిలిచింది. అదేవిధంగా తన యొక్క పనికి తను చేసే పనికి తన యొక్క కర్తవ్యానికి ఓకే మనం ఎప్పుడు తనకు సెల్యూట్ చెప్పాలని చెప్పి ఎంతో మంది తనను గౌరవించారు. ఓకే సో విత్ దిస్ లెట్ us stop our today's session and read the today's okay and I hope you have understood the lesson. Okay when the flight was hijacked in Karachi, how she has sacrificed her life and how she has saved 400 passengers. It is very really very interesting and it is very appreciative things that she has done and it is very interesting and important lesson that we have discussed today and I hope you have understood. And today homework is read the lesson okay from page number 50 to 52. Read the lesson from page number 50 to page number 52. Read these 3 pages and learn the meanings and write the meanings as a homework. Okay children, thank you.